Complete the pattern. What number divided by 8 is 7? And then what number divided by 8 is 70? And then what number divided by 8 is 700? And finally, what number divided by 8 is 7,000? Well, before we do these crazy 3 problems, let's try to understand this first one. What number divided by 8 is 7? Well, the way you can understand that is go backwards and ask yourself, 7 times 8 is what? Well, 7 times 8 is 56. So 56 divided by 8 is 70. So using the same idea, 70 times 8 is going to be what number? Well, if 7 times 8 is 56, then 70, which is a multiple of 10 times 8, is going to be 56 with 1 0 attached. So 560. So using the same pattern, 700, which is a number with 2 zeros attached at the end, times 8 is going to be 56 with 2 zeros attached at the end. Don't forget your comma. So it looks like every time we move our way down, we just attach another 0. So what divided by 8 is 7,000? Well, 56 with 1, 2, 3 zeros divided by 8 is going to be 7,000. And that's how you complete the pattern.